from the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff.
All right, Matthew Wolf suggested blending the LD800, which is the Sony C-800 model on the Sphere, with the LD251, the AKG 251 model. And that sounds pretty great. I really like that a lot. So if we just take the 800, we just solo the 800, right? So listen to the difference with the 800 soloed and now with the 251 added. So when I click on solo, right, you can definitely feel it. Not almost, you can feel like where that top end terminates. Even though the 800 has a really active top end, you can feel it open up a lot more. You're actually really sensing that the top end opens up because you're getting, I think, a little bit more low mid in there from the 251. So it feels like instead of you're just hearing mostly that kind of high end energy, upper mids and high energy, and 800 energy is really great. So it feels like it opens it up a lot more. You can feel that event horizon of the upper edge of the frequency response open up. And then here with just the 251, right, you're feeling the girth of it, but you're not getting that really exciting presence area that the 800 invokes. Yeah, so here it is with both mic models together, and again, just the 251. And the 251 itself feels flatter, and this feels more dimensional. So wow, this is really great. So he also suggested trying the C12 model. So here's that. Oh yeah, listen to that. So of course the C12 is the more polite cousin to the 251. It's a lot cleaner signal. The 251 has a lot more harmonic content in it. So here's just the 12 on its own. And I think the 12 on its own is amazing, but it's a little boring for voiceover. But then you add this energy right here. That really kind of envelops really the presence peak and again, everything above it, but it doesn't feel crispy. It feels edgy. Right? It feels crisp, but not crispy. And again, that's pretty boring. And that's much better. Soloing the 800, yeah. And then you can feel it really fill out a little bit more with the LD12 added. Yeah, this is pretty nice. Nice one, Matthew. I like this a lot. What if we add just a little bit more? Yeah, okay, right here, a little bit, maybe a little too forward. That might be more of a promo sound right here, you know? So, call your local Allstate agent for a quote today. Yeah, that would work. I like that. Yeah, but straight up here, you could do commercials with that. I think I like it better with the 251 though. Let's do call your local Allstate agent for a quote today. All right, yeah, I do like this. So, all right. Don't settle for buffering and spotty service. Upgrade to Downtown Cable today and experience endless entertainment at a price you'll love. Yeah, that definitely works. So, Sphere mic model blending. We are deep down that rabbit hole now. There will definitely be more exploration of Sphere mic model blending. So what is your favorite Sphere mic model blend recipe? I want to know. Leave a comment. Or what do you think in general? Leave a comment. All right, until next time, this is Mark Yoshimoto Nemcoff, fading to black.